Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo. Today we're going to make some doll jewelry, but before you non-doll people go away, I just want to let you know that the techniques I'm going to show you how to make these earrings with are the same techniques you will use to make yourself some earrings, so stay tuned. So recently I actually made this little zipper pole here. It works really nice on this little pole string that changes out her eyes. Let's see if I get them to work like that. And I wanted to make a matching pair of earrings. I took a seashell fragment that I found on the beach when I was beachcombing, and I just took some copper wire and wrapped it up. And then I just strung some glass beads. These are little bumpy peach beads with some glass crystals. And I did mix my metals. I used the copper, but I also used silver tone spacer beads. And then the lobster claw is silver also. So I'm using some silver tone 22 gauge wire. And then I have two different kinds of beads here. We've got, trying to think, I think we have 8mm and a 6mm. And then the silver tone bead cap. And of course an ear wire, which is going to be silver tone. So I'm going to take a pair of round nose pliers and I am just going to do a loop a couple of times around. And then once I've got the loop made, I'm going to push my wire up. So I kind of have a little thing here. It looks like a golf club. And then I'm going to feed this into that hole. And we're making a knot. And then I'm just going to pull that through like so. And then I'm going to put the big bead at the bottom. And these are really fun head pins to make. Just kind of pull it so it tightens it up a little bit there. And then I have my one bead cap that I'm putting upside down on top of the bead there. And then the little bead on the top. And then I am going to take my round nose pliers and make a loop with a messy wrap. And just wrap it around several times. And I'm going to use everything I have here and then tuck in the wire. By the way, I'm trying to remember what, I think it was a 3-inch wire I used. I forgot to tell you that at the beginning. So I had 3 inches of wire. Anyway, once I get it wrapped, I'm going to tuck that piece in there. And if you don't want the wrap to be as big, you can clip it off with just a pair of wire cutters. But once you got that all tucked in there, you may have to adjust your loop a little bit. And then I'm going to need to put these on some ear wires. Let me go get some. Now all I have to do is open up the little loop on this ear wire. Hang that like that. Close it back up carefully. Whoops. Well, that wasn't too careful. Anyway, there we go. We have the earrings all ready to wear. You can wear them, or your doll could wear them. Doesn't she look cute in them? And give you a little bit of an idea of the scale. Here. I'll put it on for you on a person. See, they're a good scale for a live person too. I'd like to thank y'all for joining me, and y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.